Welcome back to another video of the ADHD Mind, where I share with you interesting facts on ADHD. Are you struggling to stay focused at school or work? This video is for you. How to focus better with ADHD. Tip number 1. Set timer for 10 minutes to get you started. Do you ever find yourself staring at the computer screen for ages without being able to get started? I'm sure many of us have been there. The hardest part is just to get started. Try setting timer for 10 minutes and do anything related to the task during those 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be something big. Even just creating a Word document with a title counts. It's easier to keep going once you have started and have some momentum. You may find that after you finish typing that title, you may even continue to type the first sentence and it keeps going from there. Tip number 2. Write down 2 to 3 most important things to accomplish that day. Try not to create a super long list. Always keep the list in front of you during the day. You can use your calendar or notebook or whiteboard, whichever you prefer. That way you won't get sidetracked by other tasks that are not as equally important. Try to focus only on one task at a time, and make sure all the distracting objects are out of your sight. It should only be the task you are working on in front of you, nothing else. Tip number 3. Distraction journal. Write down your thoughts as they pop up while you're trying to focus on your task at hand. You can come back to this after the task has been completed. This method will significantly reduce distractions while you have a hard time focusing because of your own thoughts. Tip number 4. Turn off notifications from your phone. This tip might sound obvious, but it does help you get rid of constant distractions and the urge to check your phone. If you find yourself constantly checking your phone, try putting it on silent or airplane mode. Tip number 5. Do less demanding tasks when you really struggle to stay focused. Save tasks that require your full attention and focus to when you feel most alert during the day. Strategically choosing your tasks based on your focus level will benefit you in the long run. You'll get more done. For example, you can take that time when you can't really focus well to return a phone call or respond to an email. You've been procrastinating for days. If it doesn't take a lot of effort, then you won't need to think about it later on. Tip number 6. Remember, done is better than perfect. If perfectionism is constantly holding you back from getting started with your tasks, just remember, done is better than perfect. There will never be a perfect time to get started on something, or if you're waiting for the perfect idea to come, it might never come until you get started. Perfectionism, while having its benefits, can at the same time really hurt your productivity. Perfect is the enemy of good. Tip number 7. Plan ahead. Planning can save you so much time when you actually sit down to tackle a task. You won't get overwhelmed trying to figure out where to start. Once you have a detailed plan of how to achieve a certain goal, all you need to do is to follow the steps you have set out for yourself. By doing that, you can focus your time and energy on what's important right in front of you instead of scrambling to figure out what to do next. Tip number 8. Deadlines. Have you ever run into a situation when you have the whole month to work on a project, but you still wait until the last days to get started? That's why deadlines are super important to us. Deadlines can create structure in your day and week. Most of us with ADHD brains work better under deadlines and can hyper-focus to get the task done quickly under time pressure. Try setting a deadline for each task you want to accomplish. There you have it, 8 tips to help you stay focused better with ADHD. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel if you would like to learn more about ADHD, and I'll see you in the next video.